Want to know how to change your active account in Game of Thrones? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Game of Thrones game. So once you're under this Kingsroad game interface right here, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing the account that you had logged in with. For me, it's Facebook right now. So you can just simply select manage account right here. So once you have selected manage account, here you should be seeing two options. So you should basically be seeing the account that you had previously linked with. So you can just simply select Google right here. So since I want to switch it to Google, just simply select it. And after a while, it should switch just like this right here, and your Google account should be online instead of Facebook. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you change your online active status in your account. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.